So this is a Nunchuk Wii Nintendo controller for the C64 adapter, and it's a project that is on Github, but you can buy this ready-made on Forum 64. So the motivation for making this video was to take part in new projects, and I thought this was really interesting. And also it has an atmega 328, which is very popular. Yeah, Nunchuk64. This is the Github page, and you can also go on Forum 64. I will link it in the description below. There's also a nice video about this, you can see. So this is what I'm gonna make. Just gonna attach some components for now. I'm missing some, so we'll order them. So, but for you it will be an instant. So here you have source code, hardware, and then everything you need to know. There's also an assembly instruction. I didn't see that at first. That's very nice actually. So we need a programmer. I think maybe I can use my universal programmer. And, oh yeah, here's the universal programmer. That's great. That's exactly what I have. So it's excellent, excellent. I really say this is really cool. So let's go to hardware, and then Nunchuk. Also in the hardware you can look for yourself. Anyway, there are nice pictures of the board, and there's a PDF. That's great. There you go. So right click, show image. There you go. And here's the board. So let's solder some 10K. Where do I find them? So I bought this sample book. It's very nice. It's got SMT in them, but these are 0603. I need 0804, I think. So, but anyway, this is really nice. You have many values. So soldering this 804 is just a dream. So easy. But not on camera. So I was soldering my capacitors, and I thought they were a bit big for the pads. I was thinking, why is that? Well, I think they are 12.0 something, 12.06. And if I look, I have loaded Nunchuk into KiCad, and then I opened footprint editor, and you can see footprint is 0805. So, Oh, and regarding that dot I was mentioning, so that marks the edge here, but there's a little line here on the silk screen. Hello. Oh well. So here you go, using my microscope. It's a really nice tool. I really regret putting on that capacitor in front of this one. So it's not that easy to inspect, but also something about these webcam based things. Oh, it's not in focus. So go to preferences and then the camera's control, and then I have exposure. Usually it's on auto, right? Like this.
Det är vi också. En som du ser på NRK i august. Bislett-kvelden noe helt spesielt. Det å være til stede på Bislett. Jeg tror jeg minst har vært litt noen ganger. Fordi det så mye folkefest, og det så... Eldste brødrene Ingebrigtsen skal i aksjon. Og da det på tide da å høre med sjefen selv. Ikke voldsomt store forventninger, og ja. Så vi må vente til neste år på Bislett før det var til stede. Det har ikke noe gjort. Bare passe på sekken. Det ikke noe annet. Ja,
So I soldered up the last bits of components here, regulator stuff. And I don't have an ISP, so I have just a bunch of wires, as you can see, directly on the... Okay, so I have an ISP, but it's not really... I guess I don't have the connector. So, but I have the TL866A, or Mini Pro. I basically just put them down here and pressed as hard as hard, such that they made contact without soldering. It's not perfect. Better with pogo pins. But as you can see, it's programmed. So the power is on. Just a new power supply. And you can see 1 click, 2 clicks, 3 clicks. So I think it's programmed then. Pretty cool. So all this time I thought maybe it was Arduino. I just don't know why, because maybe it's because it was atmega AVR 328p. I was thinking, okay, I'll compile it then in Debian. Well, but then I searched, and then I found the file. You have to click releases on the page for Nunchuk on Github, and then you will see the assets that you had this option. So the hex file was loaded into the programming application. You have seen me done this before, into Mini Pro, and then select the correct chip. And for me, I had to also hook ICSP port and then program. So I guess what remains now is to get some connector on it so I can play some games. That was the goal of this. Yeah, I know, the Commodore 64, the games are either port 2 or port 1 games, so, or both. So I have moved this provisoric, if that's an English word anyway, connector. So sorry for the noisy image, it's a bit bad lighting here. So we have receiver there, so I switch it on, and I have the power supply over there, 0.74, 75 I think, 74. So a bit more, so I can press the button, have different modes. I'm not sure what they mean actually, but when this one blinks it means that it doesn't have a controller. So if I now press start, you can see now they sort of match. So we have a Jumpman Junior. Look, there we go. So I added some light there. So yeah, so let's try this game. So I need to press the keyboard 1. So 1 player speed. I pressed 1 earlier and that was really fast. So let's try 3. I don't know if I can play with one hand. I don't think I can. So I will try. So yeah, look, it's working. It's not as fast when I pressed 3 there, but I think I need to, yeah, I need 2 hands to play this. So, but let's see if I can go all the way back to my pillow. Yeah. Can I still play it? Yep, still works. So this is about 3 meters, I think. Maybe just 2.5. Yeah, 2.5. So still works. Whoa. Yeah. By the way, this is one of my first fond games. Jumpman Junior. I love it.
it's very nerve-wracking. So I haven't connected the audio, but the audio on this is also very classic. So how does jumping work? See if I can do it with one hand. There you go. Yeah. Okay, so it has been a couple of weeks since I built this project, and I tried to change the connectors also. Yeah, here's the card. Anyway, so what I've done, I put a connector there on the end, so just put some glue around there and such. So I redesigned this board. I was thinking, oh, maybe this board can take these fingers, so you can have both. Well, that didn't go so well. Yeah, so I was thinking putting the fingers inside here, or the edge connector. So I started doing that, and this is what I ended up with. Actually, I was having holes here too, I can show you, and I sent it to all PCB, so you may wonder why all PCB and not JLC PCB, because they are $2, but now all PCB has free DHL, so that will be the same price with shipping and much faster. So I did this, and I said, oh, we're not doing half plated, so half plated holes, so that without increasing the price. So that I was thinking, okay, let's try fix this. This is the result. I think I removed the holes, as you can see, and the idea is that you solder on each side instead, if you are using the connector, or if you're not using connector, you just push it in. So I made a pull request to get the attention from the original maker of this. So here you can see the pull request. A pull request means, well, first of all, you have to fork the design. So that's what I did. And so that means that I made changes and push it to Github, and then I made a pull request, and that means you wanted to merge. I got contact with them, and it said that there are basically, you can get these connectors anyway, so it may be better to use those. But then also today he showed me the actual component, because I haven't seen this yet. So this will definitely make a short circuit, like he says. So that's a bad idea. So my design, it can cause a short circuit. So because then you get the house will make contact here. So that's a bad, not good. So yeah. So what I'm going to do is just remove the old connector, and then it will not be merged, but there will be a forked version, so you can use this, but you can't use this though, on my version anyway. So very nice to talk to him, and he thanks me for my ideas, and says if I would like to improve something on the layout, I would suggest to change the layout that it fits into a case. So yeah, maybe I can look at that. I don't know, make it smaller, maybe look at other cases. So I need to talk to him. I don't know exactly what he means. So I just wanted to show you a little thing here. So there's also on the website, where the GitHub for this project, you can hold it in. Now you saw 2 blinks, that means it flips. It's a joystick switcher, so that's cool. And now it's a single blink. It's back to normal. When Ingrid is playing, I can see that the power is going a little bit up. So 76. I never saw that before. Maybe it's this device that is drawing a bit more. I don't know. Transmission, reception. So I thought that was a bit funny, so just show you. When I press the button, see the power goes up. Kind of weird, isn't it? 75. Anyway, I hope you liked the video, and I'm not sure if we're going to make another video. Maybe I will make an update video when I get the board, but I want to get this video out now, so because I'm really happy with it. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.